as much as possible. When we grow a child, why did I get that? When we grow a child, the sweets, mithai, all those fat foods are out. Sunrise to sunset. Just plain water, warm water. Before breakfast. These are all before breakfast. Please, for God's sake, do not have 2, 3, 4 glasses of water at one time. Can you imagine? You are straining your kidney, you are making your kidney work overtime. When you have 4 glasses of water, the kidney needs to work overtime. It's like an engine, a machine which you try to make it unnecessarily fast. What happens when you overfill your car or overflow ho jata hai? Kya hota hai? It stops, malfunctions. Same thing happens to your body. Jab overflow ho jata hai into kidney, then it stops functioning properly. It doesn't work. Is that clear?
Why to avoid vomit?
I will give you the answer. I tell you why. For a diabetic I am talking. Please, I am only talking about whatever I am trying to tell you avoid is for diabetic. Okay? In India, the cow is the symbol of wealth, strength, abundance, selfless giving and fully healthy life. You agree on that? Drink water, juice, Coke, Pepsi, sip by sip, sitting down would be better. If you need to drink in a normal, healthy way, please sit down and have your drink. Do not drink it from the bottle. बहुत से लोग हैं जो हम bottle से पीते हैं. When you keep the bottle up, you are also letting air get pushed in. Is that clear? You getting what I am saying? Bottle रखा, हवा भी साथ में पानी के जा रहा है. You're damaging yourself. You need, as I said, drink your food, eat your liquid. When I say eat your liquid, take a sip, move it around, take it down.
Why sit down?
Sit by sip.
Sitting down?
Sitting down is because see what happens when you're standing here, when you're sitting down, you're more relaxed. You're much more relaxed. Whatever you need to do, eat, sit down and eat. You need to drink, sit down and drink. It's far better. But if you're traveling and you have nothing to do, you take a couple of sips, no problem at all. You can take a whole bottle of it, there is nothing much. For once in a while. You get up at 6 a.m., 7 a.m. Drink quarter glass water before brushing. I am making it very clear. Drink quarter glass or half a cup of water before brushing. In the night when you are asleep, your mouth, your saliva produces enzymes which helps you in digestion. What do we do normally is we brush it, we gargle it, we throw those enzymes out. Just take quarter glass, quarter cup, half a cup, 2 sips, 3 sips, 2 sips, 3 sips and gulp it down. Is that clear? 1 cup hot water with lime after 15 minutes. 30 ml of water, aloe vera juice plus water. Again after 15-20 minutes. Any liquid in the morning in the first 1.5 hours. I normally have about 5-6 glasses in the first 2 hours. I normally have that. 45 later, tea and very light meal. Or very light meal. If someone, a diabetic, please, all diabetics, listen to this very carefully. At 7 in the morning and at 4 in the evening, your body produces maximum insulin. Your pancreas produces maximum insulin. So if you need to eat that at 7 in the morning, in that first half an hour of 7:30, your body will be able to digest that quite comfortably. If you had water before that, something excellent. Because you're cleaning your system, so when you take your food. Now I'm going to tell you how you're going to have your tea, how you're going to have your food, when you discuss it one-to-one. It's going to be interesting today, and trust me. Okay? Fruit or dry fruit preferred in the morning. Why do we say fruit or dry fruit? Your body in the morning has nothing. And fruit is the first thing that gives energy very fast. Normal food remains in your stomach for about 45 minutes, then it gets into the small intestine, large intestine and gets digested. It takes about 4.5 hours to digest the whole thing. Fruit, it takes less than an hour. And your body has no energy when you get up, you're hungry, you've not had food for 12 hours, 10 hours, can you imagine? Now you need to give energy, and only way you can give energy is to have fruits and dry fruits. Dry fruit is known as the fruit of the brain. Especially a handful of dry fruits in the morning, 4 badams, 4 pistas, please avoid kajus. Okay? You have kismis, you have the dry medicine, and anjeer, and any of these akrots, that is your walnuts. Just a handful, 1 handful, chew that, make it into liquid, gulp it down, it activates your brain cells. Dry fruit and fruit are known as the brain food. Or walnuts. I'm talking about, you can have gram, you can have singdala, you can have badam, you can have akhroat, you can have pista.
So why not kaju?
Just 2-3.
Sir, why not kaju?
Why not kaju? Kaju high calorie, lot of fattening,
High cholesterol.
high, very cholesterol. You know, there is a friend of mine, a doctor, who gives peanuts to reduce. You trust me that? Peanuts, he says, 1 hour before your meal time, have a handful of peanuts, a muthi bhar peanuts. You will never feel hungry. So when the food time comes, you eat less. And peanuts also has decent way of killing your appetite. And it gives you protein, highly protein. It requires essential fats, oil that it has. So there are methods, and we'll discuss all these. Discuss all. 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m. to 11:50, the body produces digestive acid. Now there are, yes,
Peanuts, you can have it in the evening after tea time or something?
during tea time, yes, but not later in the evening. Very high. I'll tell you the reason again. When we ask
No, I'm saying so that you can reduce on your
Yes.
dinner part.
I said during tea time. So it will reduce your dinner intake. You get that point?
Yeah.
And peanuts, yes, we can utilize. We can discuss this on that. 10:30 to 11:30, the body produces 1.25 liter जो बिस्लरी का पानी आता है ना, उससे और water, it produces digestive acid. Now those acids are basically hydrochloric acid. They are pepsin, that is basically to digest protein. Hydrochloric acid is basically there to kill the bacteria. And in the kids, they have something to digest the milk. As we go on, we'll learn. If we do not eat anything, हमारे देश में क्या प्रॉब्लम है हमारे साथ? तो 10:30 बजे ऑफिस जाते हैं, 1 कप चाय मंगाते हैं, 1 कप कॉफी मंगाते हैं, and we have that and we kill our appetite. Batata vada, very good, batata vada. If only batata vada stops, half of Bombay will go hungry.
But in villages, no, people generally take food between 10 to 11.
This is the only reason. I will explain to you why you need to eat food between 10:30 to 11:30, because the body produces maximum digestive acid at that period. And if you do not eat, then that acid starts eating your lining of your stomach, which creates ulcers. हम लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि सुबह कम से कम कुरकुरा खाओ, a handful of peanuts चना खाओ चाय के साथ, but do not leave your stomach. Have a sandwich. But you need to eat at 10:30. I have my food at 10:30. I have my food at 10:30 sharp. There is no doubt about that. I have my full meal. And what do I eat? Okay, as a diabetic, what do I eat? Vegetable, rice, wheat, rotis, 30% salads or raw food. 30% of my food is raw. 30% of my food is raw. Kakri, tomato, gajar, palak, all that. But again with palak we will try, if possible you can have it in the morning. But palak, methi, choli or something else I have in mind. We can utilize it. Each food is good when. Like I say, fruit and dry fruits in the morning. I also know that these are the vegetable takes about 8 hours to digest. You see this. Your body produces acid at 10:30 in the morning. Is that clear? Very, very clear. Okay? Vegetables take 8 hours to digest. Avoid, if possible, protein. please avoid protein.
Why, sir?
Avoid protein because protein, the lowest of protein takes 14 hours to digest. And I tell you the reason why when we go on. We will discuss this at length. Each food we will discuss